Okay, what you need to do is figure out is what's the missing letter. Okay?
Okay.
What's the missing? What are the missing letters? Kuya first.
C.
Okay. Find the letter C on the floor.
Here.
Okay, and clip it. Good job. Okay, next letter. Zach, look. There's a missing letter over here. What do you think is the missing letter?
G. G.
Do this, Zach. Let him do it. You sing the letters, the alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Oh, where's the G? Is it missing?
No.
Find the letter G.
No.
Oh, there it is. Okay, clip it.
G.
Here. You hold it on this side. No. Yeah, hold this side. Good job. Oh, what's the next letter missing?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. G.
Okay, what's the next letter missing? What letter should be there? L? Very good. Okay, fine. Oh, you took two letters. Okay, put the L. Clip the L. Hey, there! Oh, the letters.
It's my turn.
Good job.